Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon card opening where we're gonna be opening this Sun, or not Sun and Moon, but Sword and Shield collector's chest. So to be honest, I don't know exactly the name of this, guys, but you guys are gonna be able to find it in stores right now. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but it's just one of those collector chests where you get like stickers and like a little booklet and then just some promo cards in general. So obviously we got VMAX, Charizard, and Pikachu in the back, although you can't really see him. And yeah, so I'm actually really excited. Here's the if you guys want to like pause it and look at it. In the back we got Rillaboom, Cinderace, and Inteleon. I almost forgot his name. We got Pikachu in the back right there. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So as well as the bottom right here. So let's actually open it and see what we have. So I actually have a couple of these. I don't know, depending on what kind of packs it has inside, because just by looking at it, it seems like it has some Darkness Ablaze packs, as well as possibly some Cosmic Eclipse. So depending on what kind of packs it is, like I mentioned, I have two of them. I'll probably just save one because I mentioned this quite a few times already. I'm trying to collect like a bunch of sealed product, and it's not really for like money wise, like as an investment later on. It's just more of a I want to keep some sealed product, you know. It's also like a different way to collect Pokemon cards. You don't have to open them and to consider them a collection. It could also be a sealed product collection, and I know a lot of people do that. And then who knows, guys, maybe later on, yeah, I could display it maybe when I set up my room properly and whatnot. So it could just be like a backdrop to like a face cam. And like I mentioned before, if you guys want me to do that, just let me know in the comment section below. That'd actually be really cool. I just need to get like a green screen or something, and later on when I actually set up my room for this, then yeah, we could actually do something with it. So let's actually look at inside, guys. Like I mentioned, I don't know exactly what's inside of here, but so far we have the 3 cards which are not promos. I don't know what set they're from though, so that's the only thing, guys. I don't know if it's just regular Sun and Moon or what. I don't recognize the logo down here. Oh, I guess we do have some Vivid Voltage. Oh, I might actually open them then. So I'm not gonna take the actual promos out of the package. I'll just do that later on because I don't want to damage them, which these are actually really cool. I like the hollows. I like the actual hollow in them. It has like these little like circles. I don't know what they're called, guys, but they're actually really cool. We got Rillaboom down here in the bottom. They use Inteleon in the middle. And then something that I just noticed is that we get a coin as well. It's a Charizard VMAX coin, so not that bad. And then we have the packs down here, which are upside down, guys. It's just that the top of the tin was gonna be in the way up here. I don't have that much room the other way. So I guess we have 5 packs, and then we also get the code card for the actual treasure box. So here it is, the collector chest, Rillaboom, Cinderace, and Inteleon. I guess that's the actual name for it. And then let me just take some of the stuff out, that way I can show you guys. Alright, so it does come with this little booklet like I mentioned before. Oh, we have VMAX Charizard in the back, and it seems like you're able to place like around, I don't know, guys, like around probably like 50 or 40 cards in here. And then it also comes with this stickers right here, which usually you get a lot of stickers with these, but we obviously got VMAX Pikachu and Charizard. And then oh, we get a jumbo one version of them. And then oh, see, we always get like so many out of these. We got Rillaboom and Inteleon, which are different sizes, and then we got Cinderace in the bottom. And then we end up getting oh, I like the booklet for this one. Oh, the little notepad. Oh wow, this is actually so cool, guys. I like these just because I could use them for anything, like notes or just something in general. These are actually really cool. I'm probably gonna set this to the side, although I got a little book for all my videos just to know like which ones I need to do, which ones I've done, which ones I've edited, which ones I've uploaded, and which ones are ready to go. So this actually could come in handy for once I fill that one up. Yeah, so it's just a way to keep track. But that's what we get in the chest, guys. I can't remember exactly how much the actual chest is, but we end up getting 5 packs. So let's look at the assortments. We do have 2 Vivid Voltage. We got a Sword and Shield. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and another, or just a regular Sun and Moon. So actually the packs for this are actually really good. I actually like these. The base set Sword and Shield, base set Sun and Moon, and then the Burning Shadow. So I actually like all of these. So I think we're gonna leave the Vivid Voltage for the end. That way we'll see if we could get anything good, and then we'll start off with the Sword and Shield base set. And yeah, let's actually get started. Hopefully they're all in camera, which they should be, but you never know. So let's actually start with this one and see what we get. So on the last video, if you guys haven't checked it out, I opened 5 of these booster packs, which was the first time ever opening Vivid Voltage. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure to go check it out. And I believe this, yeah, what is this? This is Sword and Shield base set. This is the girl key that you could get in one of these chests, I believe, as a holo, which is kind of like exclusive to that chest right there. Yeah, so these are actually really cool. So I guess this is like the evolution version of that. So we're gonna start off with the lightning energy. We got an ordinary rod, we got bead, we got a Rabu. I wonder if we could get all 3 different starters in this single pack. We got a Mawile, a Ponyta, Sabo. There we go, guys. We ended up getting all 3 starters. Ooh, and I completely did this wrong. What is this? No, I did it right. What? Alright, guys, so I messed up the first pack, but that's alright, right? So our first, oh, look at this. We ended up getting a Yamper, and then it led to the Bolton holo, which is actually really cool. So there we go, guys. We ended up getting a Bolton holo, which I believe I already have, though. I'm not sure, though. So I'm just gonna set that to the side down here. I'm not gonna sleeve it up just because I feel like a lot of the holos nowadays, they're not like that, like much money. Like they're easy to get, and if for some reason it does get damaged, you're always able to just get another one. So we're just gonna go with that, and hopefully a lot of you don't get mad at me, because I think this is the first time where I don't sleeve up the holos. Although I can, but I'll just probably do it later on. Like, it doesn't hurt, guys. So let me just see if I could open this one so far, but at least we ended up getting a holo, right? And something before I forget, actually, I wanted to give these code cards out, if I could actually pronounce them. Actually, I'll do it after this pack. Here's a code card for this one, Sun and Moon. Just because I've been having those on the side, and I'd rather just give them out, right? Because like I go through so many of these packs that I get so many that I don't know which ones I showed and which ones I still have. So yeah, I'm just rather give it to you guys. It's an uncommon. We got a Dartrix, a Bounce Sweep, a Skarmory, a Cutiefly, which I have a tutorial on if you guys want to learn how to draw a Cutiefly, as well as Rowlet. Our reverse is going to be a Potion, which is going to be an uncommon. Heal 30 damage from one of your Pokemon. And for our rare and last card of the pack, it's going to be a regular Brookish. I don't know, I don't like Brookish anymore, guys. Seems like I pulled this card so many times out of that set. But here are the code cards that I was mentioning before. If I already showed these, I'm sorry. It's just usually, so this is from the Kingdra EX box. We have this one from the Hidden Fates 10 Raichu GX 10. We have this one from the Galarian Surfetch V box, as well another Raichu GX10. So I believe these are the ones that came with the actual 10 that I forgot to mention since they were behind the actual promo card. Alright, so now for Burning Shadows. So yeah, guys, I always try to show them out. So now that I showed them, I could just throw them away. So I hope a lot of you guys get these, because I don't want them to go to waste. I know a lot of people play the actual online game, and there's a lot of people that buy them, right? Like, I could always sell them, but I'm not gonna do that to you guys. So I'd rather just give them out, and which is, you know, it's not bad. So here's another one for Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, at least another holo, right? So we're gonna start off with the water energy. We got a Simisear, which is usually a rare, but for some, even Porygon too, but these are uncommons. We got a Pansear. We have a Magikarp just flying. Where's the Magikarp going? Alright, that's gonna be my favorite part of the video so far. We got a Alolan Rattata, Wimpod. Like, where are you going, Magikarp? You literally are like above the clouds. We got a Togedemaru. Our reverse is gonna be a Beware, which should be a rare, and it is. and it has mix up for 2 energy, flip a coin if heads, discard the top 3 cards of your opponent's deck, and then tantrum for 3 energy, which does 120. This Pokemon is now confused, so it's kind of like trash, right? Although it's just one move. Alright, so now for the last card of the pack is gonna be a regular rare Weavile. So unfortunately we didn't get anything good right there other than this rare Weavile, which I don't know if I have though. So like I said, I'm a Pokemon collector in general, guys, so I'll take any of these packs, right? So let's go and save the Celebi. I forgot what this Pokemon is called. I feel like it's scary or something like that. I forgot what it is. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys know what that Pokemon is, and I wonder if it's a legendary as well. It's just one of those Pokemon I haven't got that much information other than when they introduced them, right? So Sword and Shield, Vivid Voltage, 1 2 3 4. Obviously we're going for that what's called the Chubby Pikachu, like everybody else is, or the Amazing Rares. So we're gonna start out with the Psychic Energy, Rocky Helmet, Alistair, Metang, a Woobat, a Rakuda, and then we have I forgot his name. It's about a Rakuda. like you need to pay attention to what's going on around you, bro. We got a Phanpy with the little Teddiursa teddy bear right there. We got a Shuppet. Our reverse is gonna be a Girafarig, which is an uncommon. And if you guys weren't aware, Girafarig is spelled the same way backwards. So yeah, just in case you guys weren't aware of it. And something that I saw or one of those weird things like facts is that actual Girafarig is actually the back, like the tail is the actual brains. At least that's what people say, but I don't know, because they say that this is actual like Pokemon, and then that this is more like a front, right? But who knows? So now for a rare, it's gonna be a regular rare Yanmega. Unfortunately nothing good, guys, but I don't have this Yanmega, I believe so I'll take it. And now for the last pack, come on, last pack magic, give me something good, Celebi. At least can you come out, Celebi? I want this Amazing Rare Celebi, guys. That one or the Jirachi. I really like Jirachi. I have a tutorial on both of these Pokemon, legendary Pokemon, so if you guys want to learn how to draw them, then yeah, just look up some of my look up at my channel and you guys will see some of the tutorials that I have on how to draw some of these Pokemon, right? So you guys always have that. So for this video we're going to start off with the Steel Energy. We got a Macargo, we got a Nessa, a Swellow, Milcery, we got a Galarian Meowth, kind of being a, what is it, like a pirate. We got a Chimecho, a Blitzel, a Slugma. Our reverse is going to be that one Phanpy that we got with the Teddiursa. And for our last card of the video and the pack and a rare, it's gonna be another holo. A regular rare Jolteon. Man, for this set it's really hard to pull. I've opened seven packs out of Vivid Voltage so far, and I've only pulled one holo out of 7 packs, so that gives you like an idea of how hard it is to pull some of these holos and rares and whatnot, right? So let's actually go over my favorite art of the video. If you guys are not aware, thanks to Robot, every card opening video that I do, we choose our favorite art of all the cards that I pulled, and then at the end of the video we say why. For me it's gonna be this Magikarp, because it just threw me off, guys. He's like, look how high he is. We have clouds under him, so he's above the clouds. You got a mountain to kind of base it out to see how high he is. You can see the bottom. It seems like we have like a river, so how did he get over here? So his attack, maybe it'll tell us. So splashing, dodge for 1 energy does 10, flip a coin if heads, prevent all effects of attack including damage done to this Pokemon during your opponent's next turn. So it's kind of like one of those evading moves, right? For 1 energy, that's actually not bad. So hopefully like you don't get attacked, because I feel like a lot of Pokemon they're with 1 attack they could probably take out Magikarp with 30 HP. So other than that, it's just that simple fact, right, that he's jumping now. Look how high he is, right? So I don't know, Magikarp is gonna be a long way down as well. So, and it seems like he's far away from the actual river. river. Like, who knows what's under him, right? So that's actually pretty funny. I wonder if like a Pokemon hit him out of the water or whatnot, because there's no way he could jump. Although it reminds me from Pokemon Stadium, the one jumping Magikarp game where like you press the button and then you jump and hit like this button on top of you, and you gotta keep like trying to jump and get like that critical jump and whatnot. So yeah, thumbs up if you guys remember that, guys. But yeah, that's gonna be my Pokemon, my favorite art of the video. Let me know in the comment section below for yours. And I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws